Hey everyone, guys, welcome back. And in today's guide, I'll walk you through how to fix, the dash not available issue in Doordash. So if you're actually trying to dash but you can't, and these troubleshooting tips will actually help you get back on track. So let's jump right in. Okay, first things first, guys. What you want to do is just check your location. Now, Dash now is only available in the areas currently experiencing high demand. You just want to open the Dasher app and look at the map. Okay, busy areas are marked in red, and if your area isn't busy, just try moving to a nearby red zone, right? And next, what you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure you actually meet the requirements. So to use Dash now, you need an active DoorDash account and a high enough, acceptance rate, depending on your market. So if you don't meet the requirements, you want to focus on improving your stats by accepting more orders when possible. And if you're still having trouble, guys, you want to check the app. Check the app for any technical issues. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and just try restarting it. If that doesn't work, just clear the app cache or just reinstall the app. Right? And guys, if none of these steps works, then you just wanna reach out. Okay, reach out to DoorDash support through the help section in your app. They can actually provide additional troubleshooting or clarify any restrictions that you're having on your account. And that's it, guys. With these steps, you'll be able to resolve the Dash Now unavailable issue. And guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, guys. Don't forget to comment. And of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And I'll see you guys in the next video.